How to create consistent character in Higgsfield AI. So once you're in Higgsfield AI, make sure you're signed into your account. And from the top section, you'll have to hover towards character. And here you see at Soul ID character, create unique character that would be done from your soul. So here you can see make your own character, upload multiple photos. So here what it reads is you'll have to upload 20 plus photos that are recommended. So one person, clear face, multiple angles, so avoid duplicates, group shots, filters, face coverings, and so on. So you'll simply press on upload and select from the media. So you'll have to agree with the agreement and then you'll simply press on upload. So you will simply upload the photos and then once you've uploaded, so it will take some time and put your character to the queue. So you can see a list of different characters that I have generated. So you'll simply select the character and work with them. And if you want like to create one, you can simply delete all those characters, different characters, and simply keep one character. So you can simply work with the character. You can provide the prompts to do anything with your character in the create video section by going to the video, and you can simply provide the like prompts and you can create different pictures and videos. So that's how you create consistent character. You can simply go to the character section and then simply create a soul ID character. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.